go, 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 go. Hey, hey. Go hard. Go hard.
Verbal vomit, I keep it 100. Not the skrill, but you can call me Ebonics. Side shows going nutty, dumbing out. Take the wrong turn and get your roof stomped out. Old school bands, those open me and my crew. Some stoners, we get high like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. I'm whiskeyed, I'm bent. I ain't got no patience pimping, I'm a couple of tacos short of a combination. Get on your head like a shower from the gravel with them scandalous dope deals be going sour. Recon swivel, go metal flower, want the fast forward. It's like upload nickel, $6 an hour. From the rooter to the tutor, he's the driver, I'm the shooter. Don't be fucking with my cooler. All gadgets, iPods, and trio phones, sidekicks and ringtones. Go hard or go home. Go home.
Go hard or go home. Go hard. 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 Go hard or go home. From the moon to the moon, I coon like Osprey. My goons take no prisoners. What food must be?
Beef is when he 40 on a fat.
Swing them in the drive-through, smash it further. Cat north. If you from the Yank, that's north. Open up the doors, go. Corn low, Corvo, he's sick. Monkey on my back. Cycles on the milk won't let me go. Down my throat. Yes, cuz, buzz, what? I go. Slack holes like Drew Beach. Put some on it back like Rick.